What does this movement have to do with high sensitivity? As a highly sensitive person, you have fire in you. Feel it. And it doesn't take much to set someone on fire. You do that with ease. But do you also know how this gesture, movement, can help you to better deal with chaos and oppressive situations? Do the movement slowly, from top to bottom first. Start inward. Imagine there's a curved line and you are driving along precisely. Feel all the details of the bend. Feel the tension in these arcs and calm down what is there. The hand follows the line exactly. I also feel tension in my arm, in my hand, and can calm it. Secondly, be aware that this movement constantly crosses boundaries. From right to left, from top to bottom, from outside to inside. From left to right, from top to bottom, from the outside to the inside. Take that as a symbol. Your sensitivity is not held back by boundaries and superficiality. You feel behind it. You penetrate through it. Feel the 3 boundaries you are crossing with the movement. Cross it. And let go and breathe. Thirdly, let yourself be carried away by this movement and stand firm. Move along with it, bend with it, go with it, and stay with yourself. You can withstand any storm, flexible and in your power. Don't lose yourself. You are in your power. You just go along with it. And now, combine the 3. Anchor yourself with an open heart in your depths. Do you notice how this centers and uplifts you? Be highly sensitive with strength and conviction. And as always, breathe and feel how that does.